In today's video, pag-usapan natin si Eclat Noir ni Sir John Greg Farilla. This is the second perfume under the Dreamers collection. So Eclat Noir is actually a gourmand scent, but this is not your typical gourmand scent na matamis, pwedeng pang casual, pwedeng pang party. But this one is nasa sophisticated side, mas elegant yung makukuha yung scent. And yung first time ko naamoy ito, which is sa Frank 15, which is si Sir John Greg Farilla mismo yung nag-spray sa akin itong Eclat Noir. So yung unang beses ko naamoy ito, tatlong pabango yung pumasok sa isipan ko, which is Gentleman, The Serve Privé, Unique E Luxury Crush on Me, and then Sundance ng SHL. So yung booziness ng Reserve Privé, almost same sa booziness na makukuha mo dito kay Eclat Noir. And then yung sa Unique E Luxury, kung paano nila ginamit yung patchouli doon, parang almost same vibe kung paano ginamit yung patchouli here. And then yung combination ng cacao vanilla ng SHL Sundance, halos may kahawig kung paano nila ginamit yung combination ng patchouli, cacao at vanilla dito. So tatlong perfume yun, ayun yung naalala ko. May resemblance lang but hindi totally ganun yung amoy. So ano nga bang amoy ni Eclat Noir? This is actually amoy Black Forest Cake. So try natin. Sobrang busi niya, men. And sa opening makukuha mo kagad yung cognac, which is parang siya yung magbibigay ng nice impression. So mabilis lang siya, guys. So 5 to 10 seconds lang yung tinatagal niya at magpe-fade away na kagad siya. And then yung cherry is magpa-pop up na. So cherry is parang main star dito eh. So I believe cherry yung pinaka main star because without the cherry note, hindi mo siya may imagine as Black Forest Cake. So yung cherry is giving a bright and fruity aroma. And then after ng cherry, mas magiging dominant naman yung pagiging boozy. At the same time, lalabas na yung vanilla, cacao at patchouli just to give a dark, melting chocolate. Ganun yung nakukuha kong vibe sa kanya eh. Grabe, sobrang bango nito and very realistic na pagiging gourmand niya. Alam mo yun pag naamoy ko yung kamay ko, parang gusto ko siyang kainin. And eto guys, tumagal sa akin to ng more than 8 hours sa skin. And mas mabango siyang amoy na actually sa skin kesa sa clothes. So 8 hours sa skin ko without being cloying, alam yun. Because mostly ng mga gourmand is sobrang tamis, magko-cloying ka talaga eh. Because gourmand scents actually have a heavy materials. That's why magko-cloying ka. But this one, hindi ko napipil yung ganun eh. So this is mas suited sa mga dress up, alam mo yun, naka-formal attire, naka-suit and tie. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa date night, special occasion, special events. Doon bagay ito, si Eclat Noir. Worth it nga bang bumili ng Eclat Noir? Sobrang worth it. This is around 1,500 and yung quality ng perfume na makukuha mo dito is pang international talaga eh. This is actually the first local niche brand na naamoy ko and wala akong masabi. So yung complexity, yung transitioning ng mga notes, makukuha mo talaga dito eh. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung quality ng perfume. So Eclat Noir ni Sir John Greg Farilla.